If you're looking up Tipalti, your accounts payables are likely slowing you down. Whether you struggle to pay vendors on time or you need a solution for global payments, there's a reason Tipalti has become one of the leading AP systems in this space. Today, I'll highlight what Tipalti is, its key features, and go over some important considerations. And if you stick around to the end, I'll cover how to get the most value out of the software. Tipalti is a finance operations platform built for mid-market and enterprise companies that have outgrown basic AP tools. It covers four main areas: AP automation, mass global payments, procurement, and employee expense management. While most businesses I work with start with just one or two of these, they can all be connected. Think of it as a single place to manage your entire company's spend. But before I break down its features, if you'd like to test out Tipalti yourself or compare it to other software, use the link in the description below or head over to softwareconnect.com to get started for free. Let's start with one of Tipalti's core modules, AP automation. It removes the manual data entry and the back and forth with vendors that slow down high-volume AP teams. It all begins with vendor onboarding. Instead of collecting bank details and tax forms yourself, Tipalti pushes that work to a self-service portal where vendors submit everything on their own. If you're onboarding dozens or even hundreds of vendors a year, this alone can save hours. It includes AI Smart Capture that scans all your invoices and extracts the important details. It even learns the way your vendors' documents look and can code them to your GL automatically. And like most enterprise systems, it includes approval workflows and three-way matching. When it comes time to pay, Tipalti supports global ACH, local bank transfers, card, wires, PayPal, and more. The real strength here isn't automation itself, it's the consistency it brings and the ability to pay your local and global vendors from a single platform. Speaking of paying vendors, the next module I'll cover is the mass global payments. While a lot of AP systems we've reviewed handle scheduled payouts for contractors, Tipalti is one of the best at managing this at scale. Using a customized self-service portal, your payees can submit their tax documents, view payouts, and set the preferred payment methods. And Tipalti makes this process quite simple. It guides them through the correct steps based on their location and even runs their details through an anti-money laundering checks so you're not exposed to compliance or fraud risk. From there, it calculates who earned what based on the metrics or commission structure you set up. And then, Tipalti will automatically pay your partners out, regardless of their location. It supports over 200 countries, 120 currencies, and 27 languages. I usually recommend it for online marketplaces or referral networks that work closely with influencers, or really any business that has to pay out a large number of contractors at once. The next feature is Tipalti's procurement module, designed for tracking purchase requests and managing POs. It uses the same vendor database as AP, so you're not recreating suppliers or having to jump between systems. You can create a purchase request and route them to the right manager for approval. Because AP and procurement are tied together, you can see how a single purchase can impact your department's budget in real time. It's not meant for complex inventory or manufacturing workflows, but for most companies, it adds enough structure to keep things organized. Tipalti's next feature I'll highlight is its expense management module. It's pretty similar to how other platforms like Expensify, Ramp, and SAP Concur work. Employees can submit receipts through the mobile app or send them via email. And using AI, Tipalti will categorize the expenses and forward any discrepancies to the correct manager for approval. It also covers the basics for travel expenses. You can set up policies for flights and hotels and enforce daily spending limits on cards. One thing I liked about Tipalti was that you're able to keep using your existing corporate cards, or if you don't have one yet, just use theirs. Either way, every expense is processed directly through the system, making it easier to keep track of. And this leads us to the Tipalti Connected Suite. Everything I covered so far, from AP to expense management, can be used on its own, but we see the best ROI when companies use the entire platform together. You get a single place to manage vendors and contractors. And when connected to your ERP, Tipalti can help prevent fraud and manage spending across multiple departments. So who gets the most value using Tipalti over other platforms? From my experience, Tipalti tends to be strongest for mid-market to enterprise teams that struggle to keep up with growing invoice volumes or multiple entities. It's also one of the best options for companies operating globally. It's one of the few platforms that offers foreign exchange hedging and provides global tax ID validation to keep you compliant. And if your business pays out contractors or affiliate partners at scale, Tipalti is hands down one of the best platforms for handling this. The self-service portal and automatic calculations alone save hours of manual work. While Tipalti has some great features, it's worth considering a few key points before making a decision. First, pricing can add up quickly. While the base platform fee is reasonable, starting at just $99 a month for the Select plan or $199 a month for more advanced features, things like mass payments, foreign exchange fees, and other payment charges should be factored in. Mind you, the fees are lower than those of other systems like Bill, but it's still important when evaluating the total cost of ownership. Tipalti is definitely priced for mid-market companies, not small businesses. Next is implementation. Tipalti is not a plug-and-play system. While it's modern with an updated UI, you'll need to standardize your AP workflows and ensure your vendor data is clean. Their team will help you with this, but just expect the rollout to take a bit longer for more complex setups. And the final thing to consider is that its procurement tools are not designed for businesses with complex supply chain requirements. If that's your world, we'd suggest a more specialized system, which is exactly where we can help. Here at Software Connect, we've been pointing businesses in the right directions for enterprise software for years. If you need help figuring out which AP or procurement platform is best for you, reach out in the description below or head over to softwareconnect.com to get started for free. And if you've enjoyed this video and learned something helpful, don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe for more software breakdowns. To compare how Tipalti stacks up against other AP software, check out our last video doing just that, up next. Thanks for watching.